Pineapple juice, slightly thick. We take 6 ounces of pineapple juice, we add 1 dose from the pump, and then we just mix. So the question you might ask yourself is, why would we thicken pineapple juice to slightly thick? And the answer is that people who have swallowing problems, also known as dysphagia, can benefit greatly from having their liquids thickened just a little tiny bit. The hardest thing for you to swallow really is room temperature water. And what happens is you can't really feel it in your mouth, you can't form a good bolus, you can't organize that together. So when you have a disease that affects your swallowing, affects the musculature, it can disrupt that natural process. And so by thickening it, we just slow it down a little bit. We add a little body to it so you can feel it more, you can move it around in your mouth better, and then you can control it better. So that's what we're doing here. We're just adding a little tiny bit of body. It takes about a minute of mixing. It's really not that tough to do. And, you know, it's really to help people who have these swallowing problems so that they can control their liquids. So I've mixed it for about a minute here. Now we are going to test it according to the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. They have this fancy funnel here that allows us to run a very quick test. It's marked on there and you can see the different levels. So what we're going to do is we fill it up with 10 milliliters of the item we're going to test, and then we let it drain for 10 seconds, and depending on how much is left, we can determine the thickness. So we're adding our 10 milliliters here. Gotta get that just right. And then we let the test run for 10 seconds. So you can see how it's running out, adjusting this. And then when the 10 seconds are up, you plug the nozzle again. And then you can see we're down in the level 1 area. That is slightly thick. So we have successfully thickened our pineapple juice. Please like and follow for more great demos.